live is not a dream, so dark as sages say, oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of blue, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, or while lament its fall, rapidly, merrily, like sunny hours went by, gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. What though death and time steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win our hope a heavy sway? Yet hope again elastic springs. Unconquered though she felt, still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear as well. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for glory